Xamarin vs Flutter, what to choose for your project in 2021. By Procoders. Flutter vs Xamarin, Intro. Flutter and Xamarin did not just enter into an active fight for customers in the world of IT technologies. These are two strong competitors: Xamarin, a pioneer of cross-platform systems, a fairly strong and experienced player, and a young, progressive, and very active Flutter, which is trying to push its older rival and seems to be doing it very successfully. Flutter. Brief overview. It appeared in 2017 as a new progressive development from Google, combining a framework and a full-fledged software development kit. A year later, the first stable version appeared, which was already accompanied by loud applause and high expectations from all business owners. Pros. The advantages of Flutter are so many that we were able to create a detailed study and reveal all the possible features and limitations to enable potential clients to have a complete picture before plunging into the world of Flutter with Xamarin for new projects. Let's highlight the main aspects. High performance. Dart is not only a simple programming language, but also high performance and huge ergonomic. Dart's high performance is reflected in its ability to compile into native code for Android and iOS, and ergonomics in widgets that reduce the need for data exchange between the app and the mobile platform. Hot reload. It is most convenient when every change in the code is automatically forwarded to the hardware or stimulator in real time. Now you don't need to restart the app and waste time we can spend on the launch. Is Flutter better than Xamarin with a hot side? A quick reboot has revolutionized keeping productivity at maximum speeds. Powerful support by Google. Google Flutter vs Xamarin has grown and is developing with you. It appreciates and values a new product so much that it is simply impossible to worry about the quality of the documentation. Cons. Large app weight. Flutter, with its seemingly large-scale functionality, cannot boast of the ease of applications. Yes, this can be a problem for developers who will try to reduce the weight of the app and customers if your mobile phone has a limited amount of memory. Lack of a wide range of libraries and plugins. Because of its youth, Google Flutter vs Xamarin has not yet created a huge number of libraries for its own use, and some plugins are still in the process of development. Xamarin. Brief overview. If you ask which one started the first development of apps that are very similar to native Flutter or Xamarin, then the unequivocal answer is Xamarin, which was created back in 2011 in America by the developers of Mono. In 2016 it was bought out by Microsoft and the framework was integrated into the .NET platform, and now it is a part of the CNET Visual Studio Group. Pros. Powerful technology with a complete ecosystem. Powerful C and .NET technologies, known even to a novice programmer, make it possible to create a flexible application with wide functionality, so you do not need to spend even a couple of days learning the structure of a new language. Fast development and testing. Many developers will appreciate the possibilities of using shared code, as well as using the native test cloud in Xamarin Native vs Flutter, which runs tests on more than 2,000 devices that you choose. Cons. Large additional weights of apps. Stably, you need to add 5 megabytes to the finished application, or the debug build will add about 20 to 25 megabytes. In this part, Xamarin Native vs Flutter applications are clearly leading the way. Xamarin Forms vs Flutter have not yet fully optimized this process. API updates time. Developers face a lag in the work of updates, and for many, this is a real problem. When new SDK packages are released, the API update takes time, and you need to restart, because there may be multiple lags in the work. Conclusion. Cross-platform apps are already the reality that everyone has been waiting for. The business offers us huge prospects, not to plunge into which would be a huge mistake. Corporate giants Flutter and Xamarin are trying to provide the best that they have in their arsenal to implement the most daring business solutions. Subscribe our channel and read more about Xamarin vs Flutter, what to choose for your project in 2021 at Procoders blog.